This is Mohit Gupta, and I'm gonna talk about programming in DS. And in this lecture, I'll be discussing about the basics. And in the basics, I'll be talking about operations, loops, functions, and switches. So let's get started. First thing is operations, and you know that there are some operators which have some precedence and some associativity. This is very important before knowing how to evaluate expressions. So this is bracket, and it is the highest precision, and there is no associativity. That means you don't need to evaluate the expression from left or right, it doesn't matter. Second is this multiplication, division, and modulo. This is the highest, this is the second precedence, and the associative we get is left to right, and then comes plus minus, and it is also left to right. Then come equal to, which is the lowest precision, precedence, and its associated is from right to left. Now what is associativity? What do we mean by associativity? Actually, if two or more operators are having the same precedence, then the expression will be evaluated by using associativity. For example, 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now the question is from where to evaluate. Although this is plus operation, and it is commutative, as we know that 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 is same, so here you won't see any confusion. But still, uh, if we take it as from left to right, we'll just start from 2 plus 3, we'll be getting it as 5, then 5 plus 4, so evaluating it as 9. Take some other example. 20 divided by 10 into 3. Now as we know that it has left to right associativity, and divide and into has same precedence, so we'll follow left to right. This gives 2 and this gives 6. Also we can take some another example, like 2 plus 3 plus 4 into 5, and as we know that precedence of multiplication is higher than addition, so first we'll be